Hello friends, welcome back to Meshmind. Today we are going to learn everything about ESP8266 NodeMCU. This tiny and powerful board is one of the most widely used in IoT projects because it comes with built-in Wi-Fi, good processing power, enough memory, USB programming support. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how NodeMCU works internally and why it's so popular for IoT. So first we see Pinout of NodeMCU ESP8266. It provides multiple pins for connection. ESP8266 has 16 digital general purpose input-output pins D0 to D15. You can use these to control LEDs, sensors, motors, relays, etc. It has one analog pin A0. It can measure analog value 0 to 3.3 volt like temperature or light sensors. Then communication pins UART, TX, RX, serial communication with PC or other modules, I2C pins for sensor like OLED displays, accelerometer, then SPI pins for memory chips, RFID modules, then power pins, 3.3 volt output for powering small sensors, V-in 5 volt input for board power, GND for ground. Then next is processor and memory. Then processor and memory. Processor 32-bit Tensilica L106 reduced instruction set computer RISC processor. Clock speed 80 MHz by default, can be boosted up to 160 MHz. Then RAM 64 KB instruction RAM for program execution, 96 KB data RAM for variables, sensor values, etc. Then flash memory, typically 4 MB on development boards used for program storage. In simple words, ESP8266 is like a mini computer that can run programs, store codes, and handle Wi-Fi all at the same time. The next is voltage regulator. The ESP8266 chip works only on 3.3 volt, but most power supplies like USB or batteries give 5 volt. That's why NodeMCU has an onboard voltage regulator. You can safely connect 5 volt at V-in pin or USB. The regulator converts 5 volt to 3.3 volt internally. Then next is CP2102 USB to serial driver. Microcontrollers like ESP8266 cannot directly understand USB signals, so NodeMCU boards include a small chip called CP2102 USB to serial driver. Its job is convert USB data to serial data, allow us to upload program from Arduino IDE or NodeMCU firmware, provide a COM port on PC for debugging and monitoring. That's why when you first connect NodeMCU to your computer, you may need to install CP2102 driver. Then Wi-Fi and networking features. ESP8266 is famous because of its Wi-Fi connectivity, works on 2.4 GHz frequency band, support TCP/IP stack, means it can directly communicate over the internet. Modes of Wi-Fi: station mode, connect to router and access internet cloud, access point mode, other device connect directly to ESP, both at the same time, dual mode. This makes ESP8266 perfect for IoT projects like controlling home application, cloud data logging, or sending sensor data to mobile apps. And next is applications of ESP8266 NodeMCU. Because it is a cheap and Wi-Fi enabled, NodeMCU is widely used in home automation, smart lights, fans, switches, IoT sensors, temperature, humidity, motion, data logging, uploading sensor values to cloud platforms, smart appliance, Wi-Fi enabled bulbs, sockets. So this was a complete explanation of the ESP8266 NodeMCU board. We covered pinout, processor and memory, voltage regulator, CP2102 driver, Wi-Fi capability, applications. In the next video, we will program the ESP8266 and create our first IoT project. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Meshmind. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.